Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how to wrap text around an image in Word document. Make sure your image is in the document. For this, you need to click on the insert and click on the picture and click on this device and select the picture from your computer. I'll have this picture. So look at the very top ribbon menu of the Microsoft Word. When your image is selected, a brand new tab called Picture Format will light up on the far right side of the menu bar. Click on that, and here you can click on the crop and adjust the picture. First your and click outside, and again select the picture, go to the picture format, and now this time go to the wrap tags. Click on that, and now click on the tight. Moreover, you can also click on this layout option. You can see that on the right side. Click on that and you can also select the height. And now you can resize your image. And now you can drag your picture anywhere on the text and adjust like this one. And now again click on that layout option and click on the fixed position on page once you are happy with the placement. And that's all. This way you can easily wrap text around an image in Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.